Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video we are going to be creating this look that you see right here, and I will be using the beautiful new Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette, and it is so stunning. I absolutely love the concept of it all, the different finishes. These colors are so beautiful. Here you see Poet, Aura, and Soothe. And here you see Story, Ritual, and Memory. Beautiful shades to work with. I wanted to do something that's suitable for a night out or a date night. And the first thing I'm doing here is picking up Aura in the matte finish, and I am just applying that on the crease area so that it can help me out with blending later on. And then I am going to pick up a blending brush, and I am picking up the shade Soothe in Matte as well. And I am applying this to the outer corner of my eye, and I'm blending it into my crease, or at least the outer part of my crease, and just packing that on and blending it away. I have been a fan of Tati for a long time. She's been around on YouTube for the longest, and I have really been looking forward to having this palette in my hands because I knew that it was going to be extraordinary, and it really is. It's a beautiful palette. I love, again, the idea, the concept of it, the 6 different shades in 4 different finishes, and it's an awesome idea, and I absolutely love it. So here I'm putting the Ritual shade in the matte finish on top of the Soothe shade that I applied, just to deepen the outer corner even more. This shade did come off just a bit patchy on my lid. I don't know if it's the shade or because of the primer on my eye. Actually, it's not even a primer, it's just concealer, and then I set it with a little bit of translucent powder. But it did come off a little patchy, so I had to switch brushes and see if maybe that helped out, and it did. It helped out just a little bit. Still a little patchy, but that's fine. It's nothing we can't work with. So for the lower lid, I am using the same shade, Ritual, in the matte finish, and I'm just packing that on first, and then I am going to go ahead with a blending brush and blend it out with Soothe in matte as well. After that, I'm picking up a shader brush, and I am picking up the shade Soothe in the sequin finish. When I swiped off these sequin shades on my arm, you guys, it was the smoothest swatch ever. It was so easy to swatch and so buttery, it's unbelievable. Now, I didn't have the same luck with the metallics. I'm sure that it's because you're not supposed to apply it with your fingers, but I did have to go over it several times in order to get a good swatch. So here I am going to apply Soothe glitter finish, and seriously, like, it goes on as if you had the actual loose glitter and you apply it with the glitter glue. You don't even need that. You can just straight up pick it up from the palette and apply it on your eye without the glitter glue. It's so easy, so quick, and just the finish is absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner with Memory in Matte. And this is a really, really black shadow, I have to say. It's one of the blackest ones that I have ever seen, and I've played around with a lot of black shades. This one would have to be at the top, and the Mall Cosmetics one as well are really, really black. I had to wipe off a little bit of that fallout because there was a lot of fallout. especially with this black shade. But again, that's okay. That's not a big deal for me. After I get my liner the way that I wanted, I'm going to blend it out with a small blending brush and really smoke it out because I wanted a smoked out liner for this look. All I'm doing now is just trying to even both the eyeliners out. After this, I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I am going to clean off the bottom of my wings to make it nice and sharp on the bottom edge. And then I'm going to jump into foundation. I am going to use the Anastasia Luminous Foundation, and I'm going to apply this with my Morphe foundation brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and conceal my eye with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with the same foundation brush. I love this brush and how it blends out my foundation and my concealer. I know it's a little big for my under eye area, but it does the job very, very well. Now to bronze up my face, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Rich Amber and just bronze my cheeks and my forehead a little bit. After that, I'm going to go into the Joseph Colors Fuego highlighter, and I am going to slightly highlight my cheekbones. I didn't want to go too glowy on the cheeks, you know, since my eyes are already bomb. Back to the eyes, I'm going to apply some mascara and also apply some of that Memory in Matte to my lower lid and just blend it away, as well as apply mascara on my lower lashes. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight my inner eye, and I am using the Aura shade in Metallic Finish. And this is the final look, you guys. I absolutely love the eye makeup. It came out so glam. It was so easy. I did not need glitter glue. I did not need another brush to apply the glitter. It was just amazing. So for lips now, I'm going to apply the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and then I'm going to apply this Laritzi lip gloss over top, and we are totally done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are able to recreate this look. I really appreciate your presence here on my channel. See you next time. Bye.